La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant.
C'est Lusambu. Lusambu, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique, sont surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo. Nous avons notre manière de de louer le Dieu qu'on a.
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso koma kanangonga nango
Kiambote tata
Ningilava vimpi,
ngeta tunama vimpi tutondele
Nyambote. Let me just greet the audience. Hello, welcome. If you are watching, we thank you. This is our class, the Congo class. The Congo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Wakuba maune nengwa. Wakuba maune. Wemba kubama.
kubama
Kubama.
zeko
Kuzeka, okay. Kubama. I think that should be a soon. Papa, he's here. Tata Ale. Kiambote, Tata Ale.
Kiambote Tata Panzo.
Wakey, how are you? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm okay.
Good. Wakuba maune. It is a question, Tata Ale. Kubama.
Tuesi wakubama ngine
Okubama.
Mauna. Yeah.
Who's is that for who? For me?
Yeah.
It's for you
For both. Yeah, Tata Ale. Yes, he's there. You can read on your private chat. He's there.
Oh,
okay. I
I
understand.
remember Kubama.
Kubama. You know what?
Get ready.
Kubama.
Yeah. Get ready. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Kubama.
Do I respond kubama ngine?
Sorry?
Do I respond kubama ngine?
Wakubama, yeah, just Wakubama Gina, yes.
Wakubama Ngina. Okay.
Yeah, I am, yes. Yes, to be, yes. You remember Gina from your color, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, sit on okay now. Kiwakwe?
Wow.
Okay, wow.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I need to share my file. Have you seen the last one? I mean, same file, but that's
Yes.
updated, yes?
Yes.
You see my PDF totally?
Yeah, that one, yeah.
The last one. Okay, let me just go. Okay, let me just make it bigger. I'm not sure if Tata Davis coming. Okay. On this one, you should be okay. This present perfect indicative. Yeah. Kwenda Kwiza. Then go tell you Kwenda present indicative.
Kwenda is to go.
Yeah, but you. Can you give us your first person singular Kwenda present indicative, of course, present perfect indicative. Very common.
Was it wele? Ngele.
Yeah, ngele. Yeah. Remember, on present perfect indicative, the keyword is your nasal. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
A song is nasal. Only we have a nasal only. Guess what? Only, but it's common. I mean, present perfect is your verb, usual on daily. I mean, we use it the most used tense. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Present perfect indicative is the most used tense because
it's the most used. Okay.
Yeah, because past is when you mean past, but future. But here now, okay. Ngele, tatale, quiza.
Ngiziri.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, only just think about nasal. Yes. And guess what? We are going to focus today on verbs
Blender.
beginning with L. Yes.
Yes.
Very, very important. And the rule is the nasal. The rules. I'm going to remember. Verbs
You
beginning
said
with
verbs that
L.
start with an
With nasal.
L.
Sorry.
You said verbs that start with an L. The first part starts with a. I forgot what it is. I forgot what it was.
Your nasal, 2 letters. That I remember nasal.
ND.
Bravo, yes.
ND.
Anyway, it is here. We'll go to. Okay, yes. Katana, if you can read for us, please.
Yeah, okay. First, let me see. Present perfect indicative. Key rules for verbs beginning with letter L. First person singular. The nasal ND overrides the letter L. Number 2, second and third person singular use the first letter of the verb, which is L. Number 3, keep the long vowel, if any, from the first syllable of the verb.
Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
You're doing well, bravo. You are flying. I'm not joking. I mean it. Yeah, bit by bit, you get in there. Yes. You know, I can't remember in 80s there was an Englishman, missionary, of course, Baptist missionary. Went back to. He was missionary in Bembe area, Bembe, in Angola, provincia, province of we call it state of Zaire. So
that's where I'm from.
that man, what was his name? James Hancock. He spoke Kikongo. He spoke very, very good Kikongo.
That's scary.
He learned Kikongo, of course, but because in our tradition, I mean, we cannot blame people, but people didn't have any idea that people could, by learning, if you're focused, you have the time, you can learn and speak. Yes, yes. Yeah, we get in there. Yeah, we get in there. So this is basics. You need to understand that because we're going slowly but surely. So get this on letters. I mean, any verb. I mean, key rules for verbs beginning with letter L. Your nasal. Of course, we're talking present perfect indicative. Present perfect indicative. Your nasal, because the hardest bit is your nasal. The rest is fine. Should be okay. Yeah? Remember, let's say. Let's the next slide. Any question anyway on this one? Am I clear? Is it clear?
Yeah, no, it's clear.
Yeah. L, yeah. L is ND. Don't worry about the second syllable because as long as you go to your nasal, first one, I'm fine. I'm happy. It should be okay.
Okay.
Bit by bit, we're getting there. Of course, you need to get the fundamentals right. Okay, these are the verbs. Don't memorize. Don't be scared. Yeah, just think. Is the verbs beginning L. Nasal is always ND. Yes. Yeah, let me. I'm coming back to this one. Let's go. Okay, this is a general rule. I mean, any apart from L, I think yeah. These are can you read for? These are general rules for any verb.
First person singular nasal N before the verb or M in writing. depending on the verb, but it is relevant in spoken Kikongo.
Yeah, sorry, I'm going to tell you. 1 minute. So, general rule, yes, you think what it is.
Oh, general rule for all Kikongo verbs in present perfect indicative. First person singular nasal N before the verb or M in writing depending on the verb, but it is relevant in spoken Kikongo as long as you have your nasal.
Yeah, are we clear? Yeah?
Yeah.
Because in Kikongo, when you're writing for letter, any word, can I say that? Yes. Your nasal, I'm not talking verbs, yeah? In this case, we're applying to verbs, yeah? Let's say, what's the verb? Bois. Bois. Let me I just want to make it clear, simplify. Any verb, we use verbs in this case, yeah? But it should apply to any words in Kikongo, nasal. So when writing for letters beginning with B, F, P, V, use letter M. Are we kids? Yeah, don't memorize this. Just these are common rules because here we are pragmatics. As long as we can speak,
Yes.
Don't worry about that aspect. As long as we can speak, we should be okay. Okay. Then letter N, you use for G for gold. Although we don't have G in Kikongo in isolated. Whenever you use the G, always with N in nasal. Yes. Let's say ngunga. What is ngunga? Good question.
No. I'm just looking at the verb. I'm looking at tonda, and then No, I'm just saying. Now I see tondele. It makes okay. I see. What's going on.
Yeah, because I mean, you are right because people. Oh, that is here. Let me just try to change this layout. That is coming. Yeah.
Cambote.
Welcome. Yes, I'm going back soon, Tata Don't worry. Let me try to finish with it. Let's just focus on this one. Tata, if you can read this one again, please.
Okay, general rule for all Kikongo verbs in present perfect indicative. First person singular, nasal N before the verb or M in writing, depending on the verb. But it is relevant in spoken Kikongo as long as you have your nasal. For second and third person singular, you drop the nasal, then use the first letter of the verb. Example, tonda, to think. First person, tondele.
Again, you need your nasal. We talk about the nasal. Make sure you got your nasal.
Okay, tondele.
Yeah, well done.
Okay, tondele. Yeah. Second and third, tondele.
No. Second, you drop your nasal, tondele.
Oh, tondele.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tondele. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Okay. Note. For first, second, and third plural, use tu, lu, ba.
Yeah, tuluba is your prefix, yeah?
Yeah. Keep the long vowel or any accent from the first syllable of the verb.
Yes. Is it clear? Any questions?
No, that's clear. Thank you.
Let me just try to explain the first paragraph. You know what? Writing Kikongo, letters. I mean, it should apply for letters in words and verbs. Letters beginning with B, F, P, V. Your nasal, you write letter M. Written Kikongo. Yes. Don't worry, we will not write Kikongo. Don't worry about it. As long as you can speak, as long as you have your nasal, don't worry about. I'm just talking, just to clarify something. So these letters, words B, F, P, V, you use M. Letters S, K, K, G, S, Z, use N. My name is Panzo. I use M for P. Yes? Are you with me? Totally? Yes. Nkunga, song. Because of K, we use N. Nkunga, nasal. Then G for gold. We don't have words beginning with G. G is always nasal. Of course, N and then G. Let's say Ngunga. Ngunga means, let me tell you, Ngunga.
Like what, sound or something?
Does that mean like I'm singing?
Bell. No, it's not Nkunga.
Oh, bell.
Bell, yeah. Nkunga, yes, Nkunga.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, let me just. we have a famous song in Kikongo. I mean, from Tokwis Church. Ngunga ngele muno ntiza onsono. Ngunga, bell. Ringing, yes. Okay, let me just go back. David, you're going back. Can you read that, David, please?
Key rules for verbs beginning with letter L. First person singular, the nasal nd overrides the letter L. But I see only in the first person singular. Second and third person singular use the first letter of the verb, which is L. Keep the long vowel, if any, from the first syllable of the verb.
Yeah, is it clear that
Okay, but only applies to verbs that begin with the letter L. Okay.
Right. Yeah. Because this is special. This is Kikongo. Letters begin with L. Your nasal is MD. Yeah, you're going to understand soon. Yeah, just bear with me. So, general rule for any other verbs. I mean, any other verbs? Yes. N is your nasal. Let's say we got verb tonda. Your nasal is N tondele. Yes. From second and third, you drop your nasal, just stay with tondele. Then, plural, you have tutondele, lutondele, batondele. Questions? Are we clear? Because soon we're going to apply ND, the nasal for L verbs. Question number 30.
So
yes.
Yeah, so where it says nasal N before the verb, I got that part, or M in writing. That's the part. Why is it? Why the M?
Yeah, the rule is with words or verbs beginning with B, F, P, V, you use M for nasal. Yes. Don't worry about too much about it. In writing. When you're writing, let's say my name is Panzo. You don't write NP, MP.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
I mean, in writing, don't worry about it in writing.
So that M is the nasal. The M is the nasal for those
correct
words
letters
beginning with those letters.
BFPV, yes.
Okay, BFPV.
In writing. But in practical terms, it doesn't make. I mean, doesn't matter really, because when we're speaking, we don't know if you use the N or M. Yes. Is it clear that David?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a little confusing, but yes.
Sorry?
Yes, it's a little confusing.
Where?
The letters, the first letters of verbs, I'm not sure I'm getting them. Are you saying B as in bâton de lait, F as in
Okay. Don't worry about that. Let's
okay,
put aside. Don't worry about that. This is just
right.
something extra. Don't worry about it. Here we are here to speak Kikongo. Don't worry about that. Just in writing, yes? Brunezo. Okay. Good. Let us go. Let us go to our verbs, yes? Landa. Let me just try to L. These are verbs L, yes? Of course, our nasal is ND. That Alice, and nasal is ND. ND. I'm just trying to. I don't want to remove this one. This slide. ND. What is it? Yeah, ND is there. So yes.
Yep.
Two things here. Free. You use the nasal, of course, ND. Then you keep. Sorry. You use nasal ND. Then you keep the long vowel. Yes. Ndembekele. It's not written. Ndembekele. Yeah. It is hard. Don't memorize. Are we okay? Are we following? Not telling.
Yeah. Because the patterns are now all even, but yeah.
I understand that the clear pattern is your nasal. End it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry about the second vowel because no, don't go there. Don't go there. I just want to make sure you know because if you, let's say any verb, let's say lomba, as long as you know that your nasal should be ND, go ahead with ND. No. Dombele. There's a clear pattern here that Ellen. So ND, yes. Then the sound, I mean your long vowel, because here we have L long vowel, yes. Can you see the accent, yes? Ndembekele. The second singular we drop nasal. We go back to letter, we carry on here, Lembekele. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That I know your concern. Because how do you find the second after ND? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Bear with me. Focus. Your ND and also the letter that goes with your nasal is it is here the first vowel of your verb. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Mm-hmm.
We got nasal ND, then we got E, Nde, yes. As long as you know your, although I keep saying Kikongo exception is 20%, because having said that, look at this, David. That doesn't apply here. Can you see? Landa, Nde, yes. We're not using the first letter on first syllable. Yes, that's how it is. It's confusing. This is the pattern, yes. You got your nasal, then I got my ND. How do I find out that the letter? How do I know the letter that I'm going to I'm going to use? Sorry, for my nasal, with my nasal, yes. So your letters here. Then what are you there? Are you with me? Then what are you? Go. Are you there? Tata Davis?
Yes.
You got your nasal and D. Then your letter, your how do you call it, vowel is from your verb. Yes. Questions? Otherwise, we're going to talk now. We're going to use leave the table. We're going to apply it now. Yeah, we need to keep going. Yeah, totally confusing. Totally. A bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I leave my file there. You can my slide. It should be okay. Let us try to apply. It. Tata, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I've just arrived. Yeah, I'm at your place, your house. Tata, you've just cooked. Yeah, my question is in Kikong, of course. My verb is lamba. Yeah, Tata, to cook. Kilembe, that's my question. Kilembe. Or Kilambi, sorry.
Madesu Ndambidi.
Well done, yes. So, Madesu Ndambidi, see? I'm trying to move my eyes, it's not working.
I don't remember. Is Madesu beans?
Correct, yes.
Yeah.
Madesu Ndambidi. See this R from your A is from here, yes? Yes. Then go tell you, let's say you've asked for money, yes? Kilombele. Lomba to ask. Kilombele.
Kilombele. Ndombele.
Nzimbu, yes?
Nzimbu, yeah. Ndombele
Yeah.
Nzimbu.
Be careful, we have a long vowel here. Ndombele Nzimbu. Yeah? Can you say that again, please?
Ndombele Nzimbu.
Yes. There are any questions?
Okay, so it doesn't matter if the object goes first or the verb, right?
Yeah, feel free. I just don't want to.
Okay.
Because we're focusing on verbs. Yeah, that's why. Don't worry. I just want you to get it right. Yeah, as long as you know your verbs, should be okay. But are you happy, Tatane? The pattern on the letter, the vowel following your ND, your nasal, yes?
Yeah. That one, I think, yeah, the first person nasal, yes.
Yeah, your nasal ND, of course, but your letter thing that goes with your nasal is this letter, the first vowel of your verb. Yeah,
Right.
Okay. Lembeka is to soften, yes? Congo. Lumba is to hit with force. Yes? Lumba, I think we have, I can't remember another verb for to hit, but lumba is special. Lumba is like How do you call them?
A punch.
Yeah, that should be, yeah, you're right, yeah. Muhammad Ali and George Foreman, yeah? When the fighting. Yeah. It hits, but you know what I mean, yeah? Punch, yeah? You mean it.
Yeah, right.
Number. Okay. Then we have another verb, lundumuna. Yeah? Lundumuna. Lundumuna. To push someone, something forward with force. Switch a verb, yeah? You push him with force.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay. Tutondele. Let us try to apply these verbs, yes? My question, Nengo.
Yes.
This is Bantu language. We were repetitive. Just saying you know what's happening, but you keep saying something. I'm trying to avoid giving you the answer. Okay. You have just arrived at Nengo Tediwa. You are at my place, yeah? Mm-hmm. How do you say it in Kikongo?
Oh, I just arrived. So I say Kunanzo Ngizidi.
Focus on what you have on your screen. We're talking about present perfect indicative, yeah? You've just arrived.
Oh, arrived. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Kunanzo Ndweke.
Yes. Ndweke, yeah. Okay. Lundumuna. First, can you read the first singular? Lundumuna.
Ndundumuni.
Well done. Lundumuna. Lundumuni. Yeah, Lundumuni. Yes. Well done. Longoka.
Ndongokile.
Yes. Can you see the pattern? You have your nasal here. Your nasal, of course, nasal. How do you say it? Okay, anyway, let's put it this way. Your first syllable is your nasal plus your, of course, you should have the vowel. Your vowel comes from here. I keep repeating this. Are we clear on this one? Let me tell you. Except, don't worry about this in there. Yeah. Okay. We have Lembeka, we have NDE, E coming from this one. Lemba, E coming from this one, and so on. Okay, Tutondele. We're going back to this one. Question.
No question,
no. Don't memorize, please. Don't memorize. Yes? Don't memorize, please. We have... 1 minute.
Something happened.
Oh, are you okay?
Yes. I'm okay.
Yes. Okay. Where were we? Okay. Yes. Ndembeleka. That's first person. Leka.
Ndele.
Be careful. You have to. This is long vowel here.
Ndele.
Ndele. Yes. Ndele is a verb. If you say ndele, ndele is it is a bird. Yes. Ndele. Rare bird. Listen carefully. I want to explain something very important here. Ndele. Ndele is the root word for mundele. Yes?
Oh, mundele.
Yeah. Plural mindele. So in west coast of Angola, of course, the Congo Kingdom, northwest, totally, yes. From time to time, I mean, we're looking back, when I think it was, in winter, some birds from Europe migrate to Africa, yes? Totally, yes. So, these birds, one kind, I think, all of them, they used to come from time to time to Congo, but they were not, Congo Kingdom was not the habitat, yeah? Are you with me, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, totally. Yeah?
Yes, yes.
Can you imagine they never seen a white person, our ancestors, the first time they saw Diogo Khan, Diogo Khan, they said, oh, this is Ndele, yes? This is Ndele, yeah. So, Mundele, yeah. Mindele, plural. Anyway. Okay. Say it again, Tatana. Can you read it again?
Ndele.
Ndele, yes. Dr. David here. To vomit, yes?
Yeah, okay, Luca. So that becomes Ndukidi.
Follow Luca, Ndukidi.
Lukidi.
Yes.
Just
follow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lukidi, Balukidi.
Yes. Okay. The hardest part is this one, the nasal. From here, Lukidi, it's same. Yeah, Lukidi, all of them are Lukidi. Yeah, although here we have your prefix to Luba, yes? Are we okay? Okay. We're going back. Let us talk now. Small talk. Questions, otherwise we're going to start the talk. Okay. Any other verbs? This is a clear example. We have a verb tone that, think. Your nasal is N. Just add N, yes? Yes?
Yes.
Just add N. Tondele. Yeah, tondele. Okay, this is a mix. It is mixed here. Verb N, L, W, D, M. This is hard. The pattern should be the same. I wouldn't say that. Don't worry. You focus on L. Verbs beginning with L. Okay. Now we're going to talk. Kiambote tatale.
Kiambote tatampanzu.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Tunama vimpi yeno, eh?
Yetope tunama vimpi, tondele tata. Kwe uzinganga.
Ku Washington izinganga.
Jambo tekikilu. I'm going to test you later. Kilembe. Remember the verb is remember the verb is L, yeah?
Yes, I don't know. Yeah, Kilembe. Madezu
Ndambi,
Ndembele?
Ndambi.
No, is it Ndambi?
Ndambi, yes.
Ndambi.
Yeah, because the infinitive is lamba, yeah? Remember the verb lamba. So you go to your N, your nasal ND, then you go to your first letter, first vowel, yeah? Nda.
Yeah.
Well done. Quota kwenda tata. Please just give me a present perfect. I'm asking a question continuous, but you give me the answer on kwe utakwenda, any destination.
Kunzo.
Yes. It
Hold
is
on,
verb
don't-
kwenda. It is verb kwenda. You did it before.
Yeah, isn't
Ngele, yes.
Ngele.
Yeah, well done. You're talking good, Kikongo. Don't worry, yeah? We get into it. Tutonde, Tata David. Kiambote Tata.
Kiambote Tata Mpanzu.
Kwe utakwenda. You remember, we have kwenda kwiza. These are, this should be easy to all of us. Yeah? We use it on a regular basis. Kwenda kwiza. But try to use your present perfect indicative. Tata David.
Okay.
Some question. Kwe utakwenda. Tata David. KU destination. Always any destination you use your locative preposition KU. Yeah.
Itukwenda St. Paul.
You start with the KU, then your destination, then the last thing your verb. Tata David.
Okay.
Ku
St. Paul itakwenda.
Yeah, good. Well done. But now I want you to use a present perfect indicative instead of continuous. Verb kwenda. As soon as you hear, you see that it's a present perfect indicative. Just remember, your first person should be what? Nasal. Yes. Okay. Kwenda. Yes. Ku. Yeah. Ku. San Luis. Any destination? Ngele.
Oh, right.
Ngele. Yes. Yeah. Nengwa tadiwa, kiambote nengwa.
Kiambote Tata.
Tuka. Now you go to the verb tuka, but give me your answer. Give me the answer. Your answer should be present perfect indicative. Tuka. You always tuka, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Any place, yeah?
Kuzandu.
Yes.
Tukiri.
Again, the nasal, we need to hear it. When you mean nasal, you mean it. Nasal is nasal.
Okay. Kuzandu tukiri.
Tukiri, yes. Well done, thank you. Yeah? Your verb is tuka, present perfect indicative. Just add N, yeah? Your N for the nasal, then have T. That's why I keep saying, apart from L, verbs beginning with L, the others, as long as you know your verb, just use your prefix, it should be N. That's clear, yeah? Yes. Kuzandu tukidi. Then what tell you? Kivovele. I just want you to use your verb vova.
Vova, okay.
The verb is vova.
Kikongo.
Yes.
Do I say vovanga?
I want you to use your present, your indicative. Can you help? No, you just use your nasal. Your verb is there, vova, sorry. Kikongo.
Kikongo. I don't know the The present perfect.
The nasal, just use you. Apart from verbs beginning with L, any other verb just use a nasal. I mean, in writing could be M or N, but in spoken Kikongo just use a nasal.
Is it just Mvova?
Sorry?
Is it just Mvova? Kikongo.
Yeah.
Mvovele.
Mvovele, yeah, well done, yeah. As long as you have your, I'm concerned about, just as long as you know you have your first syllable, should be okay. Totally, yes.
Okay. So it's the nasal is M for this one, right? BFV. You said a BFPV.
Don't worry about the writing, Gikongo. Don't worry.
Okay.
No, don't go there. Don't go there. Yes, we will be.
So what would be so there's no nasal for the first person?
There is. That's why this is Mvovele, yeah, Mvovele, yeah.
Mvovele.
Yeah, the verb is Vova.
Okay.
The infinitive is Vova. So Vovele. Totally. Kididi. It is dia, yeah.
Let's say
go for your. You could say Mbiza Maza fish.
Mbiza Maza. Ndidi.
Indeed, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, are you clear, David? Doubt? No? Are you clear? Yeah, indeed, yes. Indeed. Tata David, over to you.
Okay.
I know it's hard. You are brave people, no? People are watching and saying, no, what are they doing? we learning Congo. We are Congo people. Anyone watching? We are Congo people. Our ancestors gave to the world. Let me just display. You tell me, Tatane. You should know that. Remember, our ancestors gave us free music genre. Tatane, do you remember?
I'm sorry, I missed the last part.
Music genre from Congo ancestors. You have it on your, look at your screen. One of them is there.
Oh, I can't really see it. You talking about jazz?
Yeah, you should remember that.
Okay.
Totally. Yeah, New Orleans, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Louis Armstrong said that he was from Congo, yes? Yes. He was from Congo. When we say Congo, we mean K, yeah? Congo Kingdom, yes? He went there in 1960, Independence Day, yeah? To celebrate, yes. Yes. Another music genre, Tata David. Argentina.
Right, the tango.
Yeah, it is from us. Yeah, well done. Yeah, tango. I know we are live. We wouldn't say that. We don't want to talk about that. Yeah, I think you know the history, Tata David. Yeah. We were four. Okay, I need to stop there. But there are video online. Okay, we got jazz from Congo, huh? K, not the country. Our ancestors, Congo Kingdom. You got tango. Tango. I mean, they couldn't spell it in Congo, but tango is in tango, eh? Tango. Tango, empty, and tango. What is tango? Let me tell you.
Tango is time.
Time or the planet, yeah? Sun, yeah, totally. Yes.
For the sun.
Yes. Okay, the third, Tata, you should know the third music genre, the famous one in Africa, in Congo anyway, Congo Republic, both Congos, the two Congo. That I remember.
You're talking about not rumba.
It is, you're right, yeah, rumba.
Rumba.
They say rumba, but it is Nkumba. Umbilical. Yeah? I should have asked what Nkumba means.
Doesn't it mean belly button?
Sorry?
Does it mean belly button?
Yeah, well done. Nkumba, yes, Nkumba. Nkumba. So you touch your belly buttons, yeah? This is Nkumba. Yeah, this is yeah, this is Nkumba. Rumba, because I mean there's no nasal in Spanish, yes?
Right.
They don't have Nku. Nku, only Congo people have Nku. So they wrote R. So you should be proud of yourself. Yourselves, yes. Two-tone daily. Any questions? Kangina Ikivugo. Can you say it again?
To say, Kangina Ikivugo.
Yes. Two-tone daily. Thank you very much for your time. Two-tone daily. We're going back to. You got your notes, yeah? Just review your notes, yeah? You should be okay. Two-tone daily.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead, Tatale.
Why Kangina Quivoco? Is that? I mean, I know it says I have no questions. Is that?
Yeah. Kangina, yeah. Okay, okay. I understand. I see where we're coming from.
Yeah, no, I get it. I mean, Ngina, yeah, okay.
Now let me write this down. Yeah, it's very important. Good question, because Nginaye, it is Kalaye.
Kalaye, yeah.
Dr. David, what is Kalaye?
Not sure.
That's been a long time, Dr. David. Hello. Yes, Dr. David.
Okay. So
Kalaye.
I see. Kalaye is to have, but just kala is the verb.
To be, yes. So I don't have Ngina ye. Remember, it is confusing totally, because the same ye we use for yenge ye, ye yandi ye, but in this case it should be written like this, yes, as one word, yeah, Kalaye, yes.
Yeah, so Ngina ye basically is,
yes,
okay.
It is your verb, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, you're right, it's confusing. If I say Ngina Nzimbu, no. Yeah, Ngina Nzimbu, I have money. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Remember, to be Kala, to have Kala ye.
Okay.
But ye, in this case, is one word to Kala ye, because when you ask Yenge ye, that ye sometimes confused with this one. We don't mean, when we say Kala ye, we mean to have. The ye is the one word with Kala. Am I clear?
Yeah, so you said Ngina Nzimbu. You could also say Ngina Nzimbu. I am money.
Yeah, that's why you keep ye. Ngina ye.
Yeah, no, I got it now. It makes sense.
Ngina ye. Tutondele, think we mind you are brave people. We get in there. Next time, basically we've done a lot in terms of verbs. You know that, yes.
Yeah.
We come long way. We get in there. We're on the move. We're moving. There's a progress. Okay, tutondele. Then Kambote.
Salakembo.
Yo.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomo, Villienonga, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Docteur Nelson Jean-René Bolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Kumbo. Philippe Kamambo. Memba Basagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya. Politiza Keita Kulama Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
ya butu kwenda kukinshasa kukinshasa ngomba we tire zinako kija utukwilande yashosare tunajikikwepe ya biongo butu kwenda kukinshasa yolele kukinshasa ngomba